It was prior to the captivity when they took the Paleo letters from them and forced them to use Aramaic letters. It was prior to that. So we know that when you go to Jewish scholars and they give you a date on a document of Zechariah's writings, Zephaniah's writings, Jeremiah's writings, all of these prophets' writings that say that the block letters can date back to the time of that prophet, it is incorrect. It's a lie. There's no possible way. Every one of them spoke in the name by the Spirit of Yahweh. The New Testament tells us that every one of the prophets spoke in the name of Yahweh, right? And we know that they were still using the Paleo form, the middle form of Hebrew, up until the second captivity. So how can the Aramaic form in your Strong's, how can the Aramaic form in your Brown Driver Briggs give you any concrete English words or modern Hebrew definitions? Because that language didn't come until way later, just very recently.